fan favorite, tips and tricks. Here we go. So, little tip I learned from a grower. You've got your line adjustment because your floor is not level, so you got to raise these. The only problem is that if you're not careful, when you raise that thing up into a pulley, you may tear a cable, you may tear the pulley out. So what you can do is, after you've adjusted it, set it, bring that adjuster back down and fix your string accordingly so you don't have that adjuster strung way out and the others are smaller. Because when you go up, you're going to have some different things that could create a problem. Here's another one. Winter is coming. You know, I use that a lot. But anyway, winter is coming, and so don't forget to flush your lines. Now, even if you think this may be the last fly, go ahead and do it. I mean, you always cut them back on. But last thing in the world you want is that to freeze and you be in the house going, oh my gosh, I forgot. Don't forget, flush your lines. Many of you have some contraption like this. I don't know that I've seen one of these. This is a new house, so we've had a great opportunity to get on a new house and see some stuff. But one thing this grower talked about is you can have filter on your water, but it always helps because we're always talking about keeping your cool cells clean. So throw a filter in there as an added measure to try to help with those cool cells. And you got some spigots ready for flush. This guy has it broken apart so that if one side, you know, whatever, you can shut it down and use it for both, whatever. So, hope that makes sense. A while back, I did a tip and trick on putting an air conditioner in your control room. Wanted to kind of emphasize that a little more because we think about the heat outside, the ambient temperature, but if it's 100 degrees outside, which like here, for us, we live in Athens, Georgia, and it was 100 degrees last week. And there would be control rooms who maybe have fogger motors or other things going in here. With that sealed control room, your temperature is going to be way more than 100 degrees. And now you got all those computers that are going to, it's just heat is hard on electronics. So maybe think about throwing that air conditioner in the window of that control room. Here's another tip I got from a turkey grower recently. We're always concerned about water pH in your filters because we know how important water is. But one thing that we need to think about is after a big rain, sometimes that will affect your pH, and a lot of times it will affect your filters that are cleaning out. That is if you are on well water. So after a strong rain, little tip, hey, check your filters, make sure water's flowing good. You might even want to check your pH. Always love these tips and tricks, so hopefully these were some very helpful ones, and I've already got some new ones for the next one. But if you have any that you'd like to share with us, please send them to me. Alan at southlandorganics.com, or you can give me a call, 1-800-608-3755. But send those in because people love them, and there's some things maybe that you've learned that can help other growers. So until then,